Behind me you can see a majestic fort. So that was my camel ride. So I'm finally here at Alibag. So finally I'm on my way to the Alibag beach. In my last episode, I have shown you how I reach Alibag via the M2M Ro-Ro ferry in just 1 hour, avoiding the hectic 4-hour drive and 200-kilometer lengthy road. Located in the Konkan region of Raigad district of Maharashtra, this small coastal town of Alibag also serves as the district headquarters. This beach is one of the most visited beaches of Maharashtra, with coconut trees lined up along the sandy beaches. Most pleasant weather conditions and photogenic views all around. Right now I'm at Alibag beach and there are a lot of activities here like camel riding, horse riding and boating and a lot of activities. True to Alibag's fame, you are ensured of a royal treat every time you come to visit it. Alibag beaches will rekindle your senses with its unspoiled and pallid beaches, clean waters and fresh air, and will also mesmerize them with a riot of colors that take place in the sky with the sunset. You can also get a view of the Kolaba Fort from this beach. This beach has become a popular tourist attraction in Western India. You would definitely love to spend time here. The beach is the main recreational area next to the town of Alibag. It is the center of fun and frolic, especially among those who don't want to explore much, chill and relax. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to do horse riding. चलेगा. So that was my camel ride. If you come here, don't forget to try. It's only 50 rupees. The sight of Kolaba Fort in the backdrop elevates the view. The evenings are the time to view the gorgeous sunset behind the dramatic backgrounds. Regular boat services run from here and go all the way to the fort where visitors can spend half a day admiring the architecture and learning stories about the Marathas' bravery. Behind me you can see a majestic fort, and every fort has a different and unique history. Kolaba Fort or Kolaba Fort is an old military fortification situated in the Arabian Sea, near the shores of Alibag in Maharashtra. It is one of the popular places to visit in Alibag and is a protected monument. Kolaba Fort was built by Shivaji Maharaj in the year 1680 CE. After the entire South Konkan came under his control, in 1662 CE he strengthened and fortified Kolaba Fort to make it one of his chief naval stations. The command of the fort was given to Darya Sagar and Manik Bhandari, under whom Kolaba Fort became the center of the Maratha attacks on British ships. Later in 1713 CE, Kolaba Fort along with various other forts was handed over to Kanoji Angre, a chief of the Maratha Navy, under the treaty with Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath. The military post was utilized as the chief base for the army of Kanoji Angre. Due to the strong fortification of Colaba Fort, it was impossible for the British and the Portuguese rulers to win over the land. The Angres ruled over this part of the land till 1840 AD when the British conquered it. Colaba Fort consists of strong fortified walls that are 25 feet high with 17 bastions for defensive fire at the time of any enemy attack. There are two main entrances with one facing the sea and the second entrance towards Alibag. The door facing the land was known as the Mahadarwaja and it was the entrance for the royal family. There are several wells inside the premise that supplied fresh water to the residents. There is also Siddhivinayak temple located inside the structure. The entire fortification is being made with enormous stone blocks. There is also a dargah of Haji Kamaluddin Shah on the fort. Near the northern wall of the fort lie two English cannons mounted on wheels. To visit the fort area, tourists can avail boat rides during high tides or can walk down or take horse carts rides during low tides. The fort is open throughout the year and the ASI charges a nominal token as entry fee for the visit to the Colaba Fort. So guys, that was the beautiful sunset and my trip to the Alibag beach ends here. So I'll see you in my next episode. There are many cannons in this fort, but there are three main cannons. This one is called Kalal Bagri. It's made of 5 metals.